Well, the work of photographer Laurie Tennent has been seen in galleries all around the world, and now you can see it in City Bloom, an outdoor gallery in Birmingham. Now, we're joined now by photographer Laurie Tennent, and your work is stunning. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Good morning, Keenan. Thanks so much.
So tell us a little bit about the exhibit. It's going to be in Birmingham. I was just asking, it's raining today. How are you going to put the work outside? Tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
So my work is printed on aluminum. So it's actually embedded right into that structure, and it can be outside in all seasons. So we actually mounted these 9 pieces into the Rouge River Trail in Birmingham last October. And so we've been able to walk the trails and see it through all seasons. In the winter, it was amazing. And now in the spring, it's going to be incredible.
Yeah, I can imagine it being amazing with snow on the ground and snow on the trees, and then the beautiful, vibrant colors of the flowers. It sounds incredible. So tell me a little bit about your inspiration. This was your idea, correct?
Yes, so my work has been in galleries. I've actually been represented here locally by the Kid Gallery for about 25 years. And my work was smaller and behind glass and traveled around to different galleries around the world. And I just really wanted to get this work out in nature. So I saw this show in Arizona that was Chihuly glass sculptures right in the desert botanical garden, and I thought, this is it. I need to get this work back outside so people can enjoy these botanical works in nature.
And we're looking at some of your work right now, and it is absolutely stunning. Tell us a little bit about how you approach photography, because it looks like you're taking some really fine features and blowing them up to like mega size.
Yes, so now I'm working with a lot of botanical gardens. It started with the Chicago Botanical Garden about 6 years ago, and I work with Belle Isle too with some of the botanists and get really interesting species. So these are all photographs done in my studio. Everything I do, I need to cut and bring home. The piece behind me is a piece from a local Detroit gardener. So it's really interesting, the different subjects I get, and then the files are giant, so I can blow them up really large. Now, when I do put these in galleries and when people purchase them for their homes, there's only a small edition of 10. So although they look like paintings, they're photographs.
And let me ask this. I mean, have you seen people checking out the exhibit? You said it's been up since October. What's it been like to actually see people looking at and enjoying your work?
Well, it's really nice. I think it's a nice surprise to be on a walk and be able to, see nature amplified. So this may be little tiny, flowers that we'd walk right by or we wouldn't see. And in the winter, nothing's in bloom. So it's a really nice surprise to see something there while you're walking. Now, the walk it's about 3 miles, and it goes through the Rouge River Trail in Birmingham and around Corton Lake. So you could walk it in an hour, I think, if you're a fast walker, but you could also leisurely take it in pieces and go have lunch in town. So it's really nice to have the locals enjoying it and also having people come and travel to see it.
Well, Laurie Bloom, and people can find your work at LaurieTennentBotanicals.com, and the installation is called City Bloom. It's an outdoor art exhibit, and it will last through October. Laurie Tennent, thank you so much for joining us this morning. I'm actually going to have to go check that out because it looks beautiful, and I want to see the work up close. I mean, I could look over your shoulder a little bit, but I think I got to get a little closer.
Okay, great. I hope you get to see it. Thanks for having me.
I will. Thank you so much.